this is the proper gripping of arnis. So, we have 2 sticks and only 1 inch ang pagitan ng bat natin sa ating palm. So, only 1 inch. Then, grip it tightly. And this is the proper bowing of Arnis de Mano. And position. So, this is the 10 vital targets in application of single strike. Okay, fighting position. Number 1, top of the head. Number 2, right knee. And number 3, left temple. And number 4, right temple. And number 5, thrust abdomen. And 6 strikes, left elbow. 7, right elbow. And 8 strikes, left knee. And 9, right knee. And number 10, thrust to the groin. With automatic executions of the application of the 10 vital targets in application of single strike. Okay, fighting position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this is the 5 techniques of defense using Arnis de Mano. So the number 1 is upward defense. The second is reverse downward defense. And the third is inside defense. And the fourth is outside defense. And the fifth is downward defense. So the next is with footwork of the 5 techniques of defense using Arnis de Mano, or may kasama na siyang footwork, ano? Yung defense natin, may kasama na siyang footwork. Okay? So, upward defense, reverse downward defense, inside defense, outside defense, downward defense. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, position. So now, I will show to you the 4 vital targets of single Sinawali. So, fighting position, number 1 is the left temple, right knee, right temple, and then left knee. Okay, so in single Sinawali, we have 16 strike. And to complete the 16 strike, we have 4 repetition of the 4 vital targets. So, gawin natin. Okay, so fighting position. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, position. So, 4 repetition, 4 times 4 is equals to 60. Okay, so now, with footwork naman ang ating gagawin. So, sasamahan natin ng footwork ang single Sinawali. So, single Sinawali with footwork. Okay, so 4 repetition natin siyang gagawin para makompleto natin ang 16 strike. 2 forward and then 2 backward. Okay? So, fighting position. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So, position. Okay, that's all. I hope you have learned a lot in this video about Arnis de Mano. Thank you, and God bless us all.